General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay. June Tuesday is the 10th. Tomorrow is CPI. Tomorrow is CPI. Okay, so Trump speaks today at 4. So he already spoke. Okay, the market didn't do nothing. They expect the month over the month to go up instead of saying expecting year over year to go up. This is 8:30. Get the CME Fed watch. The one for next week, I don't even really have to look at it. Maybe CPI, look at it. Because it was like 99% yesterday. It's not worth monitoring. Yeah. 85%. Okay. This is 30th of July. Looking at 85% chance no cut. The one for June 18th is still at 99%. Earnings Yeah, there was nothing interesting on earnings this week. Wednesday is Oracle. Hold on. Let's get a better one. GameStop and stuff like this. It's not going to be no headlines. Nothing to move the NASDAQ for tomorrow. Let's look at the dollar on the daily. Look at this. I clicked that. It's still sitting right there. Probably waiting on a whole another trading view update. Price being held on the dollar. I'm sitting on my hands. And waiting for that push up to rebalance the volume imbalance or run buy stops before looking for sales. Today, we got target hit. We didn't run this low, which we can come back and get it later or something. Nice update. We didn't run Monday's low, and we engineered liquidity above it, which makes it a more interesting target for whenever we get change in the state of delivery. Let's look at this weekly chart. Finally closed through previous month high. Next level is this 2202.25. Finally closed above previous month's high. I'm looking for the old weekly Ferris wheel at 22,020.25. Daily. Okay, got that. This is next. This is Friday. Monday's still kind of small. Monday's low is interesting. This looks low hanging fruit. CPI could just moon us, or it could dirt us. I kind of was expecting deal with China. End of the world is over. Type vibes. What's today's date? Because they planning that. They planning that worldwide calamity for the 14th. So they're gonna pay all the people to go protest, then try to tear stuff up, just to make things look better on the news. 20.02 is my next kilo. To watch for. No, we're closing above highs. So we can expect a continuation. Let's go to H4. Price still looks held here. We didn't expand above that. We could retrace and then go higher. What was this? Monday's 2100. That's Monday's Asian range. Okay, that makes sense. Price is bullish for the most part. Not retracing and following typical price behavior. It's been kind of choppy, which is normal before high impact news like CPI. Let's go H1. This is still the target. As far as fair value here, I don't really see it. We did spike a lot today, so maybe just a little bit higher, and then come clean this up. The lows are tempting. But I believe we run the highs first. CPI could even push us to all-time high. We not that far, and we leave Monday, Tuesday low for next week. As far as alert, there's nothing interesting. As far as clear higher time frame or level, most likely see how CPI reacts and follow its lead. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.